When it comes to increasing the value of your home in Sanford, Florida, window replacement might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, this home improvement project can offer a significant return on investment, ROI, and bring a host of other benefits. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to make your property more comfortable, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient options can make a noticeable impact on both your home's value and your overall living experience. Boosting curb appeal. The exterior appearance of your home is the first impression potential buyers get, and windows play a major role in shaping that impression. Worn-out or outdated windows can make even a well-maintained home appear neglected, whereas new, stylish windows can provide an instant facelift. Whether you choose sleek, modern designs or classic, traditional styles, new windows can enhance your home's architectural appeal, making it more attractive to buyers. In Sanford, where aesthetics matter as much as function, new windows can significantly increase curb appeal, which often translates into a higher property value. Energy efficiency equals saving. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is to increase your home's energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models, often have drafts and poor insulation, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and a less comfortable living environment. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can drastically reduce heat loss in the winter and prevent heat from entering in the summer. Double or triple pane windows with low E coatings help regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Over time, these improvements result in lower energy costs, making your home more appealing to prospective buyers who are conscious of utility bills. In fact, homes with energy-efficient features are often valued higher, as buyers recognize the long-term savings potential. Enhanced security and safety. Security is always a concern for homeowners, and window replacement can play a crucial role in enhancing the safety of your property. Older windows with damaged locks or cracked glass pose a security risk, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. New windows come with modern locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass, giving you peace of mind and providing added protection. Additionally, modern windows often feature safety features that are beneficial for families with young children. Many new window designs come with built-in locks that prevent windows from opening beyond a certain point, reducing the risk of falls or accidents. Buyers are likely to view homes with these upgraded features as safer and more secure, which can increase the property's value. Noise reduction. Sanford, with its proximity to bustling areas and traffic, can sometimes experience noise disturbances. For homeowners looking for a peaceful environment, replacing old windows with new, soundproofed options can be a game changer. Modern windows can greatly reduce external noise, helping to create a quieter, more serene indoor environment. This added comfort feature is especially appealing to potential buyers who value peace and tranquility, thus increasing the overall appeal and value of your home. Improved functionality and maintenance. Another often overlooked advantage of window replacement is the improvement in functionality. Over time, windows can become difficult to open, close, or lock, making them less practical for everyday use. New windows, with their advanced materials and technology, operate smoothly and require less maintenance than older models. For homeowners, this translates into less hassle and a more functional living space. Furthermore, modern windows are made with durable materials that require little upkeep. Gone are the days of sanding, painting, or dealing with rotting frames. This low-maintenance aspect is a strong selling point, especially for buyers who don't want to deal with constant repairs and upkeep. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Sanford offers numerous benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. From boosting your home's curb appeal to enhancing energy efficiency, security, and functionality, new windows can make a significant difference in the value of your property. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply improve your living space, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that can provide both immediate and long-term benefits. In a competitive real estate market, such improvements can make your home stand out and offer a strong return on investment, increasing both its value and your enjoyment of the space.